Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to talk about DID platform for creating talkative avatars. So this video is basically for those users who want to create their own video avatar without doing anything, just with the help of their 3D avatar. They can create videos, ads as well. So let's get into it. First of all, we will go for the DID. Okay. So this is the website did.com. So this is the dash you have to write in the address did. Okay. So you will reach to this website. This is the overall look of this website, as you can see that. Okay. So after that, you have to click on the get started button in order to create an account. So I've just clicked on the create an account button, and it will logged into account. Okay, with the help of my Gmail account. So finally here we'll click on this continue with Google button. So that's how we can log into our account with the help of our Gmail account. I will prefer to select Gmail account because it fetches all information automatically. Okay. So my account is almost ready to use. We have just to give some small information like how we reached to this website, who recommended us, and why we want to use this website. So we want to use it for personal purposes. So I'll just select next, and just for fun, next. I'm not sure. Yes, next, and then done. Okay, so your account is created. So this is the dashboard. Okay, so you will click on this avatar video button, and here you will get multiple lots of templates. You can also create your own avatar despite of these ready-made templates. Okay, so let's say we want to use this. It has total 6 scenes. It's basically a social media fitness ad. So we will select add all scenes. Okay, so it will add all of the scene into our project dashboard. So you can see that these are the scenes, and here you can see the preview of all of these scenes. Okay, this is basically a 30 seconds video. Okay, let's play. By the way, you can click on this apply 6 scenes, and it will automatically apply these 6 scenes, and you can also add your script background and you can also change the text. You can see these are the text that you can change. Okay, you can also change the size, font
Struggling to
size,
stay
the
fit at
color
home?
as well,
Tired of
each and
complicated?
everything. Okay, so in the
Meet
script section you can
FitFlex,
add
your
your
personal
video,
trainer in
or
your
you can
pocket.
also add your audio. Okay,
Custom
and when you will
workouts,
start,
real-time tracking,
it will
and
select
expert
your
coaching
avatar. So here
anytime.
you can
And
customize your avatar
stay
just like
motivated,
this
crush your
requires,
goals,
and you can
and
add your
transform your
own
fitness
avatar. So
journey.
that was all
Join
about
thousands who've
creating
transformed their health with
animated
FitFlex.
avatar with the help of
Download
DID. You can
FitFlex
also use
today
all these
and get your
features so
first
that it's
month
going to
free.
generate a
FitFlex,
video by
fitness made
automatically
flexible.
create a video for you. Okay, so I will catch you in the next video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. Till then, goodbye.